Hello and welcome to Angie's Tasty Foodies. We will show you how to prepare bibimbap in this video. Let's prepare the vegetables. Quickly boil about 4 ounces of bean sprouts. Then quickly shock it with cold water. Then toast it with 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle over about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Then combine them thoroughly. Blanch 4 ounces of spinach. Add 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Finally, toast it with 1/2 tablespoon of chopped scallion. Then mix them thoroughly and set aside. Sauté a small julienne carrot. Then sprinkle some salt to taste. Sauté 2 ounces of mushrooms. Then add some salt to taste. Cut into thin slices a small cucumber. Add some salt and set aside. Put about 4 ounces of thinly sliced beef in a pot. Season it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Balance it with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Soften it with 1 teaspoon of rice wine. Add 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and some red chili powder for a kick. And don't forget to add 1/2 tablespoon of chopped scallion. Then combine them thoroughly before cooking. After 10 to 20 minutes, squeeze out the water from the cucumber. Let's prepare the bibimbap sauce in a small mixing bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Then add in 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then balance it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now let's cook the beef on medium heat. In a Korean bowl or any bowl you got, put in 1 cup of cooked rice. Then start arranging the ingredients around the rice on the side of the bowl. The more creative you are, the more it will look delicious. That's the purple cabbage. Feel free to add other vegetables if you want to. pour in about 1 tablespoon of bibimbap sauce. Then add in the sauteed beef you prepared. Sprinkle over it some chopped scallion. Also sprinkle over some sesame seeds. Optionally, you can add 1 fried egg. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again.